Hey guys, thank you for visiting my Kickstarter page. If you don't know me, hi, my name's Amanda, and I'm a dressmaker, instructor, super mom of 3, and retired Army veteran. I recently accomplished one of my lifelong goals of moving my dressmaking business out of my home and into a retail space, and I'm still beyond words. Initial shock aside though, now it's time to get to business. As I walk through my newly attained space, I realize that there are renovations and furniture that needs to be purchased. Well, that's why I'm making this video and starting this fundraising campaign. Now, don't get me wrong, I do have some funds saved to put towards this, but I'm still around $6,000 short to complete the renovations here at the store. I'm planning on creating a space here that will not only function for my day-to-day business, but will also allow me to put out higher quality content on my YouTube and Instagram. I would love to bring the same instruction that you guys know and love into reality with online courses and 3-day in-person workshops that will be held monthly. I pride myself in always being there for you guys whenever you need me with no caveats. Now y'all, I need you guys. There are plenty of ways for you guys to show your support here on my Kickstarter, over on my Patreon, on momthatsews.com by purchasing my patterns and my fabrics, and on YouTube with my branded t-shirts and sweaters. If you're unable to purchase, or hell, you just don't want to, you can also support by sharing this video. Thank you so much for taking the time to come over and support. Let's learn and grow together.